obulungi mu kifuka kyaffe. Welcome back. So today is Monday. Today is Monday. Oh, today is Saturday. Just full here. Anyway, happy new month. Actually, we're in April. Today is past Saturday, and I'm starting this vlog on a Saturday still. I don't know when I'm going to upload it, but yeah, I wanted to update you. Our last time I was making curtains, but power. Yeah, we are going to be sewing this curtain, and I'm also was disturbing. However, I did two of them, and then I'm left with one. I'm just left with one, so I'm going to be sewing it from here. And guys, I have a new sewing space and I'm loving it. The light is okay and I can film from here. This is my first video to film from here, and guys, I have a new sewing space and I'm loving it. The light is okay and I can film. Yeah, we are going to be sewing this curtain, and I'm also supposed to sew this because I'm not going to buy curtain holders. I don't know whether they are called holders, but yeah, I'm going to be sewing, making my own. So I'm just going to be tying them. I don't know whether I'm going to be including them on the curtains, but yeah, we shall see what to do, because I'm also supposed to sew this because I'm not going to buy curtain holders. I don't know whether they are called holders, but yeah, I'm going to be sewing, making my own. So I'm just going to be tying them. I don't know whether I'm going to be including them on the curtains, but yeah, we shall see what to do, because I untie it and then I put it down, and then the next time I look for it. So I'm going to see what I'm going to be doing with them. Otherwise, I hope you all good. I hope you're all fine. So I also wanted to talk about the love that you're showing me. Thank you so much for subscribing, for loving me. We made 1K subscribers, though I didn't make a video. Of course I will make it, but something happened on that very day that I made 1K subscribers and I couldn't film that video. I'm still recovering from that, and I hope I will make a video elaborating everything the way it was. But anyway, thank you so much for subscribing and for the love. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss anything whenever I post a video. So we've broke a needle. I don't know, I forgot to change because this is small, and then the fabric is very hard. It is too hard for that needle. I don't know whether you can see it. So this is how the situation is. This is it. So I'm going to remove it, and then I change another needle.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that